Hi Chasers, here's our TRS Yucatan room number 6520, a Royal Junior Suite. Our butler Raphael did such a detailed job in showing us around the room, we decided to post the initial footage we filmed. Enjoy watching and thanks again Raphael.
The evacuation plan, you are here in this way. This is if we have any emergency. Okay? Well, at the moment we aren't getting anyone. So we are okay. So you have to walk straight in this way. You will find the stairs that you get it. And in the second floor, you will find the ice machine. Okay? The ice machine is your second floor in front of you. When you are getting downstairs in front of you.
When we came in.
Exactly. The ice machine.
Okay.
Exactly. You will find the ice machine there where you save no bother. This is not disturber. Okay? Nobody bother you. You put this on the red button. Okay? The red button, it means the same. Don't bother me. Exactly. My suggestion when you get sleep, before to get sleep today in the night, if you wanna put the red button, go ahead, because you can get it wake up late. Okay? We are started working at 8 a.m. in the morning, inclusive the housekeeping.
Okay.
So when they are watching the green button, automatically they will
Knock on the door.
exactly they will say
okay.
housekeeping, can I clean you up? And if you don't want to the clean up so early, just put the red button.
Okay.
When you leave in your room, please,
Turn
very
it
important, turn it on, turn it off,
And put
and
that
turn it on. Exactly,
Okay,
very
got it.
important, okay? If you don't want anything, just leave it.
So we selected our aromatherapy pad, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
If you want to off, just 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gotcha.
And it's automatically off, okay? You have to
Okay.
push it 4 times and it went off, okay?
Okay.
If you want to on, just 1.
Oh, okay.
That's
Can
it.
we see the box that we selected, the
Yes, of course.
census?
And what? How long does that last?
If you want to work,
Census.
all the same with us,
Aroma
7 days.
scent.
7 days.
We don't need to
So
change
you
it.
can,
7
they give you
days.
some options
You
to
will get
select
the smell
which
7
fragrance
days.
you like
Oh,
to smell.
Okay, so it's not
room or
necessary to
suite.
change it tomorrow for a
And
new
we
one,
selected
the next day
census
for
and
another. No. You wanna be all you staying with us 7 days, okay? You wanna work for 7 days, so it's not necessary to change for another one.
Okay.
And the lights for this area, 1 finger, 2 fingers, slide to turn it off, slide exactly for turn it on. Okay?
Do that again? I didn't see it.
Your fingers, madam.
Go ahead
2
and do it.
fingers, slide.
Oh, okay.
No, again, very strong.
Oh, say okay.
Another one.
Oh,
Exactly.
okay.
Just slide. And in this way, you have your hair dry, okay? You have your vapor steamer. This is you wanna use it,
Oh,
okay? Go
vapor
ahead.
steamer.
Exactly. And this is your safety box. So just like a suggestion, if you have personal things important for you, like a watch,
Document,
exactly, and
document,
money and everything, you can leave it here. How to use it? Well, the people they say there is 4 or 5 digits, okay? And whatever you wanna put is okay. I put it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You wanna close, okay? How can I open it? Exactly the same power.
1, 2, 3, 4, open.
And hashtag, okay? And it wanna open, okay? You can open with your password. Nobody have to know it. Not me, it's only you, okay?
So now I put mine in it and reset it.
Right.
Exactly. And for example, now if I wanna change for a new one, I can put a new password.
Okay.
Okay?
Great.
And you have a light.
Oh,
So
wow.
funny.
It's a light in there.
Exactly. And
I've
you
never
have
seen a light in a
you have a to turn it on if you wanna charge your cell phone there. You can
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You leave your cell phone in
Exactly.
there. Charge
You
it
have
in
your
the safe.
umbrella. The weather now is good, but the last week it
Lot of
was
rain.
it was rainy. And sorry. In this way you have 20 hangers.
Yeah, started hanging up soon.
Ah yes, you just saw it. You have 20 hangers, okay?
Got it.
And the hot water, just put it down, and like this is in this position is cold water right now. Put it down is hot water, okay? You have for manual, okay, and for automatic, okay? You have 2 different kits, okay? You have your hand towels,
I love it.
your regular toilet, 3 toilet papers, 2 plastic bags, and 1 telephone. You have your hand towels, you have 4. If you need more, please let me know, I can bring you more, okay?
Okay.
No problem.
Right.
When you need to change the towers, the regular towers and the sheds, you have one later here. Did you see? We change the bed sheds today.
Okay.
Okay? Well, my suggestion is only that. My suggestion, just put it, the hand towels, regular towels, and the shirts together here on the floor.
Heineken, all right.
Everything you have here is inclusive. We will refill you every bar every day after 2 p.m.
Price list for the wine is here,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Okay, great.
If you want to, you have another prices here for the wine. This is for cigars in this part. This is in dollars Mexican, and you have the prices for wines. This you have for there, but you will find more here.
Great.
Okay, in dollars and Mexican pesos. Okay, and this is your regular menu. It's inclusive.
Nice.
Okay, this is inclusive. I will explain you how to ask the room service through the TV.
Great.
Okay, but the service bar is inclusive.
Okay.
You don't need to pay that. Okay.
Right.
We will refill you service bar every day. I told her after the 2 p.m. If you need more extra things, just let me know. More soda, more water. More.
Let me ask you something. Do you guys have international calls for here?
To the U.S.
Yes.
or Canada?
To the U.S.?
You can call to the zero, the operation or the telephones, and they can explain you how to you can call them.
But is it included?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
No, it is not included. No,
It's
it is not.
charge.
It's
It's
additional
extra charge.
Okay, got it.
Yes, if you
Okay.
need to call to the international, it's extra charge. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, but you have to call to the zero with zero automatically. Let me put it here.
Okay.
If you finish one, we can bring you a new one.
We
Okay.
probably will never touch that stuff. We don't. Here we go to many all inclusive. We don't drink.
You should.
Maybe a beer, but.
Well, no problem. But this is inclusive.
Right.
Is no problem if you wanna drink it. This is for your ice. This is your cup for the ice.
Okay.
Okay. And
What
your
is
tea.
this here? Is this espresso?
This is Nespresso, madam.
Look at the
This
coffee.
this is the caffeinate. This caffeinate is with red button. The other ones are regulars.
Okay.
Nice.
This is, you can use it. It's inclusive.
Okay.
Okay. You have two makeovers. One over there. I don't need you see that, and you have this. You have two.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you can use it if you need it.
Okay.
You have one lamp. This is manual. Okay, and here. You feel very important when I open the door.
Let's go see
It's
our
automatically.
guys. It's a lovely day in Riviera Maya, and right across from Building 65 is Elio's, the Ibiza-inspired beachfront restaurant. Soon, these newly planted shrubbery will grow into lush vegetation, and right beneath our rooms are the same category of suites, but they feature private or plunge pools.
Hello.
See.
Because you wanna
Chocolate
be off.
I'm so hungry. I have only a bagel this morning with cream cheese while we were at the airport, so we're gonna go have lunch.
I'm not just for this area. Sorry.
We're getting a great tour of everything in detail, so
Supposed to be in the middle.
And that one.
It's just
some
for
yummy
this area.
slippers and
This way I
robes.
want, in
I
this-
love
in this
slippers
case,
and
okay?
robes.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Ah.
Raphael.
Let me explain
You're
you the
doing a
TV.
great job.
Almost I am
explaining
finished.
everything.
Almost I am
So
finished.
we have to do a
It's at the
room
end.
tour.
Yes, no problem. What's your name?
Aisha.
Aisha. Where Aisha Denora, where this is your breakfast, where this is your room service, I was told you in a couple of minutes. That's the room service menu. Well, in this way you have the room service here. The day
Room
service,
service 24 hours?
yes,
Okay.
just 24 hours. The room service, exactly the same prices for cigars and the wines you found over there, you will
Okay.
find here.
Okay, great.
Denora,
Everything
are
is
you gonna
here.
try a cigar?
Yes, I might.
I think
Definitely.
so. Let's do like the locals and people doing vacation.
Absolutely.
You are so healthy, madam. So you have a dessert. You have different desserts. You have salads. You have sandwich,
Fun.
wraps,
Oh,
quesadillas. You have the champagnes.
Oh,
You
wow.
have pastas and pizza. Everything is inclusive. Specialty airs you find here in this way. Lobsters. The lobsters are inclusive. Okay. So it's no problem.
I love seafood.
You like it?
I
No
love
problem.
seafood.
Okay,
my
so you
fave.
can ask the lobster. How many lobsters you wanna add? In this case, you have two plates. Buy 4, you won't buy anything. This
Right.
is just to confirm your room number 6520. And automatically it wanna send the order to the room service.
Oh, wow.
That's it. And they have the order ready in 1 second, 2 seconds.
Oh,
Okay?
wow.
And after that, they will come with your order between the 45 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And after that, in that time, if they are getting late, you can call them in the station I gave you.
Cool.
Okay? But they will get it late they don't need to get it late. It's 45 minutes. That's the time. Okay. After that, it's a long time.
Okay.
Okay. If you ask the room service before that time, just let me know. I have to check it what happened because
Right,
sometimes
yeah.
it's like what happened with my room service? After the 15 minutes, it's not show up. I'm really hungry. I can't believe it. So where your regular TV, you will find all the time in this way. You have channels, English channels and Spanish channels.
Oh, yeah.
So she
everything
speaks
got-
Spanish, so she can see a Spanish
Muy
channel.
bien, very
Muy
good.
bien. She said,
Yeah, well, poquitos.
and inclusive they have such at $7 per movie, but this is for me is the most exciting part because you have a networks. The networks,
Social media.
those are social media. Those are free. You don't need to pay anyone. Okay.
Oh, awesome.
If you have account
So
for
it's like
Netflix,
smart TV.
Yeah.
if you have Netflix account for Netflix,
Oh, yeah.
use it.
Oh,
We
It's
don't
free.
need that. Oh,
Okay.
cool. That is neat.
This is
Connected.
this is your button for mouse.
Oh, okay.
And if you need to bright in this position,
Oh,
okay?
cool.
But you can use this Netflix because it's free, okay? So you need to pay any social media.
Right.
Everything is inclusive, okay?
Awesome.
Wait, let me explain you another thing. The restaurants, you have 6 restaurants in this part of the resort. You have one. This is Cabaret. You have reservation ready for Cabaret, so you have to go with your the person or the supervisor you have. You can ask to her or to him which is the day. But you have reservations ready for Cabaret.
Yeah,
okay?
we do for Friday.
Friday,
Thursday
I
or
think.
Friday? No.
No, Tuesday.
Wednesday or
Wednesday or Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah.
Exactly. I'm not sure, but you can ask them.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
your dress
Yeah.
code, well, for the women, it's not necessary to go with long pants or jeans. You can go with dress, skirt,
Cocktail chic.
beautiful like that.
Right,
That's
right.
it,
Okay.
okay? Tentacion is Italian restaurant. One restaurant you have here. Capriccio and Helios, I explained you in a couple
Right,
minutes
right.
ago. That's for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay? In this case, Capriccio is gonna open for breakfast and lunch for this week, okay? For you.
Okay.
Bohem is a French restaurant and Gaucho is a steakhouse. It's Argentine.
Okay.
Argentine restaurant. Poseidon
Bohem.
is a rice and fish.
Okay.
And it's close to the beach. Okay? You can get a
On
romantic
Sundays.
dinner.
It's
Exactly.
good.
So it's a rice and fish. It's delicious. Okay. Sumturi is a Japanese restaurant. You have 2 tables, hibachi or regular table.
Okay.
Hibachi is at the show
Oh, I like to
and
do
regular
this
table.
also.
Okay. Adelita is a Mexican restaurant. It's good. Thai food. Shantai. Lola is a Spanish. Bahia Brasa is a Brazilian. Another steakhouse because the people from Brazilian they used to eat a lot of steak. So there's another steakhouse here for us. Dorado, another steakhouse. Another steakhouse with Amor. And Portofino, exactly specialty like
Italian.
Tentazione, but
The
different.
Royal Suites are adult-only luxury rooms that deliver comfort for a private, peaceful, and personalized experience. Look, we even got to order room service, and it was delicious, including the lobster. Quite simply, when your vacation calls for customized style, sophistication, and great recommendations, contact Book It and Go Travel. We are Stamp Chasers. Our team of specialized agents are travel counselors who take the time to find out your unique travel style and interest. As Palladium Master Agents, we have the expertise to identify the perfect TRS or Grand Palladium property, ideal for your romantic getaway, family vacation, wedding, or special events.